This is what it's supposed to look like. You see how the hooks are actually within the holes of that mount. So you want to make sure. So I turned the phone off and actually just went and put the hooks in the holes. So that is actually the clutch where the chain mechanism is. So that's where the hooks are. They need to go through the holes. And you'll see the other side of the mount is where the actual spring-loaded pin goes through the hole there. But these are universal mounts. You can see that they have also the slots for holes, so they're universal. They go inside the cassette, and so far we've been very happy. We've hung, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, one of which is 101 inches, the other one 80 inches, and then a regular size. Been very happy with the quality. The mechanism works very smoothly. Anyway, they're good products. It's just you need to just be aware of a few things before you hang them, because it will save you some time, trouble, and cussing.